to our channel and welcome to our stone world. Here in Rain Marble, you can find a wild variety of marble, travertine, limestone, tiles, and pavers, quartz and much more. But first, let's take a look at our website.
In our webpage you will find easy access to our sale items, the material that will be arriving soon to our warehouse and in stock products with description of each one and pictures of the finished jobs. Get closer to us and let us impress you with our prices. You can get a quote today by filling our Get a Quote form. You can also chat with us in real time, or you can simply give us a call. One of our amazing sales team representatives will clarify all your questions and concerns. Store address and opening hours are also available at the bottom of our page. We will wait for you here. We already got the stone to finish your idea. In our